In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Ecwid store to Wix in just 5 minutes. This straightforward process will allow you to integrate your e-commerce store seamlessly into your Wix website, making it more accessible and attractive for your customers. So let's dive right in and get started with the first step. Begin by copying your Ecwid store embed code. To do this, head over to the Ecwid website at www.ecwid.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Ecwid dashboard. Here, navigate through the menu and select website, then look for the option that says add your store to one or more websites. Click on that and you'll see a choice to pick the platform. Since we're integrating with Wix, you'll want to go to the next option and select custom website, then click on learn more. This will take you to a page where you can get the Ecwid integration code. Simply click the button labelled copy code to clipboard to grab that code and hold onto it for later use. Now that you have your store code from Ecwid, we'll move on to Wix. Open up wix.com in your browser and log into your account. Navigate to the Wix editor for the specific site where you'd like to add your Ecwid store. Familiarise yourself with the layout and then go to the left hand menu where you'll find the plus add button. Clicking this will allow you to add new elements to your site, and for this step we're adding an embed code element. After clicking the add button, you'll want to focus on embedding your Ecwid store. Look for and click on the HTML box you've just added to your page. This will prompt you with an option to enter code. Here is where the code you copied from Ecwid earlier comes into play. Go ahead and paste that Ecwid store embed code directly into the box provided. After pasting, make sure to click apply to set everything in motion. The next step is all about adjustments, so let's ensure your store fits nicely into your page's design. Take a moment to resize the widget box to fit your store properly. Wix's design tools are quite flexible and allow you to drag and resize until things look just right. Once everything is aligned and looking good, it's time to finalize your hard work. Click save to secure your changes, and when you're satisfied with everything, click publish to make your upgraded site live. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated your Ecwid store into your Wix site, enhancing your online presence with a fully functioning e-commerce solution. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Happy selling!